Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel My Project Ideas. So today we are going to make a Python project on multi-messenger in Python via terminal. So let us begin with it. So the requirement that we need is to having a basic knowledge of Python. You should have also Visual Studio Code or a text editor to uh, write the code, and also at the end the Python environment so that you can run your Python code. So let's move on to the coding part. So the first thing we are doing is import subprocesses. That imports the subprocesses module, which will allow you to create and manage new processes. After that, there is a send message function, which will take the message parameter and use the subprocess.run function to execute the command in the terminal. After that, we have the receive message function that will not take any parameter, and it will decode all the strings and remove the trailing white space and show the hello world in the terminal. And finally, the code calls receive message to receive a message, and the output of the receive message function is assigned to the variable receive message, and the receive message is then printed to the console using the print function. At the end, just run the program, and you will see that the hello world will be printed, and we will understand that yes, we have achieved whatever we are trying to achieve. And finally, you can be sure that yes, your program is running. So yeah, hope that you have understood this video and like this video. And if you have understood and like this video, just subscribe and like to our channel, and also don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you can get more information and more videos in future. So till that, bye bye, see you in next video.